Hello everyone! This week we have a lovely nursery rhyme to share with you. So let's practice and listen to it all together. The nursery rhyme is like this. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop but not on me. Now let's try and learn it together. I will say it first and you will repeat, okay? So, rain on the green grass. Your turn. Rain on the tree. Your turn. Rain on the housetop. Your turn. But not on me. Good. Let's try some parts together. So, pay attention. Ready, steady, go. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Your turn. Rain on the tree. Excellent. Well done. Let's try the next part. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Your turn. Excellent! Well done, all of you! If you need, you can put this video again so that you can learn it. Anyway, we will still repeat this nursery rhyme on and on throughout the week so that we can learn it and say it together. Well done, all of you! Let's say it one more time. Everything. Ready, steady, go! Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. You did a great job today. Excellent. Keep on practicing.